All right, now thank you for joining us. The Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi has called on the private sector to embrace the government-public partnership PPP model so as to unlock the economic potential that remains untapped in the country and region. Mudavadi, who was speaking at a breakfast meeting with the representatives of the Aga Khan Development Network in Kenya, said more could be achieved in developing Kenya through focused dialogue with the private sector.
Good legislation emerges from good policy. But we have seen a situation where sometimes pieces of legislation find their way into our space as Kenyans, and you realize that they're causing havoc in one sector because there wasn't adequate dialogue, even internally, and then it hits us very hard. And some of you may be familiar with the old Donde Bill as an example, which caused havoc in the financial sector for a long time, and it took almost another 10 years for Parliament to undo that piece of legislation. And there are so many others that have that. You know, like the sectors that you are involved in, if we are not careful and if we don't have sufficient conversation to see what are the cross-cutting aspects, we could have a lot of trouble.
Now, tea farmers in Zone 5 and 6 are awarded lot as tea plantations begin